Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the temperature feature on the S50 smartwatch. You're going to want to take your smartwatch and short press a couple of times until you see the feature that says temperature. You're going to long press where it will test you for your temperature. The best place to put this is on your wrist. Once that buzz happens, it shows that the temperature has been completed and recorded. You're going to go onto the temperature setting on your app, maybe refresh, but you can track your temperature from day to day, month to month, and year to year. If it doesn't appear straight away, give it a couple of minutes so that the data from the smartwatch can synchronize onto your phone.